Hey guys, in today's episode I am just going to do a quick video on how you can save money on grated Parmesan cheese. So if that sounds good to you, stay tuned. Welcome to my kitchen and let's see how I am doing it. Just for a little reference, this will be a good idea to do if you're going to be making my marinara sauce that I'll have coming out soon, because essentially we do need Parmesan for that. So definitely check this video out when you're ready to do my marinara sauce and my how to cook pasta video, because this will come in real handy then. So simply all I am going to start doing is chopping these into little squares. And then I am going to put it in my food processor. As for this rind, do not toss it out. You can put it into soups and sauces, and that'll make the soup or sauce really, really good. So that's what I might do for my next episode, to show you how to do it. Now that we've kind of gotten our Parmesan into chunks, most people would just sit there grating it, but this makes it so much easier. Just literally get a food processor. It is the best tool to do this in. And we are going to blend it for about a minute or two. You don't want the cheese warming up too much, but you want it to be finely grated. So let's do that now. So let me give you a peek inside now. You can see, if this focuses, how fine that became, and it is so easy to do yourself. So don't waste time buying the pre-grated stuff. Another helpful hint I can kind of give you for doing the grated Parmesan cheese is find a store where you can get like a nice, like really big block of Parmesan, and literally buy that, because you will be saving so much money. Here where I am, a block of like just a small piece of Parmesan like I had here today is like $14 or $15. But if you go to another store, you can often find like something that's like 4 or 5 times bigger, but only costs double the money. So take that into consideration when you do this. So if you found this video helpful, definitely give it a like, subscribe, comment, and share. I really appreciate those that do. I want to hear your thoughts on like, will you be doing this? Did you already know this? Did you not know this? Just give me a shout out and let me know what you think of this video. I know it's really short, but it's really easy to do, so anyone can do it. And if that sounds good to you, stay tuned. Welcome to my kitchen, and let's make some marinara sauce now.